This 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer 274 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 30 feet 7 inches in length and features air conditioning, microwave, TV, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, LP detector, refrigerator, oven. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, front bath, front bedroom, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer 274 BHS is 7,877 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.